The Highwayman's hitch is a simple to tie quick release knot that releases easily, even when under tension. Start by making a bight in the rope and bring this behind the object you want to tie the Highwayman's hitch to. Next, we make another bight. This time we use the standing part. This is the part that is going to take the load. If you do this wrong, then the Highwayman's hitch won't hold. Take this new bight that we formed from the standing part of the rope and stick it through the bight that is behind the object. Make sure to hold everything in place, because until the Highwayman's hitch is properly dressed and set, it is a very unstable knot and will become undone easily. Next, we form another bight, this time with the working end. Then we stick it through the bight we have formed with the standing part. If this was a little too fast, we do have some step-by-step pictures coming up next. Now dress the Highwayman's hitch and then tighten it. The Highwayman's hitch can be untied by pulling at the working end. Alright, the Highwayman's hitch step by step. Take a bight of rope and hold this behind the object you are tying onto. Next, take a bight of rope out of the standing part. This is the part of the rope that will be loaded. Take the bight you have created in the previous step and tuck it under the bight that is behind the object. Next, we will form a third and last bight, this time from the working end of the rope, and then we stick it through the bight we created from the standing part of the rope in the previous step. Dress the Highwayman's hitch and tighten it by pulling on the standing part.